Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge, where we talk money, business, and building the life you want. Today, we're revealing 15 wealth secrets most people never learn. No get-rich-quick schemes, just the real rules the wealthy live by. We've studied, practiced, and even failed at these, and we promise. Understanding them is the difference between struggling and achieving real financial freedom. If you're ready to change your financial future, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's dive into the first secret first. Wealth isn't luck or a lottery ticket, it's a process. Real wealth comes from thousands of small, consistent decisions over time. Think of it like building a house foundation first, then bricks, then the roof. Automatic investments, budgeting, and smart daily choices are the real path. It's not glamorous, but it works. Luck is a bonus, not a plan. High income doesn't equal wealth. You can earn 6 figures and still be broke if you spend it all. True wealth is your net worth, what you own minus what you owe. The goal? Widen the gap between what you earn and what you spend, then invest the difference. That's where wealth is born. The wealthy buy assets, things that put money in your pocket, like stocks or rental properties. Most people buy liabilities thinking they're assets, like cars or big homes that drain cash. Focus on income-producing assets first. Use asset income to pay for liabilities, not the other way around. That's how you build lasting wealth. Pay yourself first, before bills, before anything. Automatically transfer a set percentage of your income into savings or investments. Treat it as a non-negotiable expense. This guarantees you're always building your future. Time is the secret weapon of wealth, thanks to compound interest. Start investing early, even small amounts, and let your money snowball. Waiting just a decade can cost you hundreds of thousands. The earlier you start, the bigger your advantage. Don't waste it. Financial literacy beats any degree when it comes to building wealth. Plenty of millionaires never went to college, they just learned how money works. Read, watch, listen, and never stop learning about personal finance. Your financial future depends on it. Not investing is riskier than investing, because of inflation. Money in a savings account loses value every year. Invest in assets like stocks or real estate to outpace inflation and grow wealth. Saving is for emergencies. Investing is for the future. It's essential, not optional. You're the average of the people you spend time with. Surround yourself with those who are financially disciplined and ambitious. Learn from their habits, share ideas, and hold each other accountable. Your network can make or break your financial journey. Every time your income rises, don't let your spending rise with it. Keep your lifestyle steady and invest the extra. That's how you accelerate wealth, not just upgrade your lifestyle. Avoid the hamster wheel. Not all debt is bad. There's good debt and bad debt. Bad debt drains you. Good debt buys assets that grow or generate income. Use debt wisely to build wealth, not to fund a lifestyle you can't afford. Pay off bad debt fast. Leverage good debt for growth. Don't count on Social Security or pensions to fund your retirement. These are safety nets, not solutions. Take full responsibility for your financial future. Build your own security, no one else will. Motivation fades. Discipline builds wealth. Stick to your budget, invest consistently, and build habits that make the right choices automatic. Wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Systems and discipline get you to the finish line. Make discipline your superpower. Relying on one income source is risky. The wealthy build multiple streams, side hustles, investments, businesses. Start small, diversify, and grow over time. If one stream dries up, you're still secure. Make income diversity your safety net. Selling and negotiating are essential wealth skills. Don't leave money on the table. Ask for more. Negotiate everything. Even small wins compound over time. Learn to advocate for your value. The real reason to build wealth isn't stuff, it's freedom. Freedom to choose how you spend your time, to walk away from what you hate, to say yes to what matters. Money is just a tool for options and peace of mind. Reframe your journey. You're buying back your life $1 at a time. That's the ultimate prize. Those are the 15 wealth secrets most people never learn. Start with just one or two, and you'll be ahead of the game. Wealth is a journey of habits and smart choices. Start yours today. If you found value, like and subscribe for more. What's your top wealth lesson? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.